Welcome everyone back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is BOTANICAL, and in this video I will be doing a quick hair tutorial showing you some of my favorite products I like to use on a consistent basis. You guys know Treluxe is one of the few brands I use all the time for me and my family, and my hair always comes out exactly how I like it. So if you like what you see right now, then just keep on watching so we can get into this tutorial. I would like to mention this video is being sponsored by Treluxe. Thank you guys so much. And to get started on this tutorial, my hair is freshly cleansed and conditioned, and it is partially stretched. You can see I still have some kinks, some texture in it. So all I did was put my hair in some chunky braids and I let my hair stretch overnight. Now I'm just going to quickly part my hair from ear to ear so I can start doing my twists. To get that curly fro you guys saw in the beginning, flat twists are definitely the way to go. So I did do the back off camera. I did these chunky struggle flat twists. I got my nails done, so it was a little bit hard for me to grip my strands, but we got it done. And I did do 2 single twists in the crown just to ensure I get some height with this hairstyle. So I have my first part ready, and I'm going to add the Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner. So what's great about this leave-in conditioner is that it is amazing at layering moisture on top of the strands. It is a very lightweight moisturizer, but it is buildable, and my strands need that sometimes. Since I don't want my hair to revert back too much, I am only going to add about a pump per section. After that, I'm going to go in with my holding styling gel, and this is their high definition curl enhancer styling gel. So this is going to give me long lasting defined curls and give me some hold to the style. So just use a small bit. A little definitely goes a long way. I'm going to detangle my hair and then start to do my flat twist. This is not a flat twisting tutorial. If you want to see a video or two on how I like to flat twist, I'm going to leave a couple down below. Pairing the leave-in conditioner and the styling gel is going to be perfect just because I'm going to get that bouncy, fluffy, soft, but defined fro. All of Treluxe products are built with quality ingredients, and they have botanical ingredients. That's why I love that leave-in conditioner, because it has tomato extract, which is great for curl defining, and also olive extract for moisture. Now once I get to the ends, I'm going to do a hanging bantu knot or cocoon curls, whatever you like to call it. I'm going to twirl the section around my finger and then start to twist the ends upon itself. It's going to create a bantu knot. I really wanted my ends to be curly and coily, so this is going to give the perfect touch to this hairstyle. Now I'm just repeating those same steps on the next section. Treluxe is actually having an amazing online sale at discovertreluxe.com. All you have to do is use their code MEMCurls21 to get 25% off until May 31st. So head over there, check out their products, cop everything because everything's great. All right, and then let me know what you thought of the products when you do so. Another thing I also love about the leave-in conditioner is that because it's so lightweight, it blends so well with a ton of different products, and also it gently sinks into my textured tresses, allowing my hair to absorb the nutrient-rich ingredients and provide me with the right foundation for my curls. Now let's talk about that high definition gel. If you've been on my channel for a while, you've seen me. I don't use too many gels when it comes to hairstyles. I'm more of a cream styler girl, but this gel is definitely a keeper. But this gel definitely changes my mind every time I use it. That's why I love to use this product sparingly, because a little definitely goes a long way, and you don't need that much to shape your curls. This product adds a ton of shine, moisture balance. It also can strengthen the hair strands and smooth the hair for a polished appearance. It has ingredients such as aloe vera juice, avocado fruit extract, honey extract. It also has that rice extract and keratin amino acids to keep that curl elasticity. I'm going to repeat myself once again for the class. Only use a little bit of this product. You will get some buildup if you use too much. Trust me, I've done it. When I first started using this gel, I did not know what to do. I did not pay attention to the directions, and I got some buildup. So just use a little bit. A little bit goes a long way because of how concentrated this product is. So I'm just gonna continue to add these struggle flat twists. When I say that this was such a hard thing to do, this is my first time in a long time having nails, and it just took a lot, okay, for me to get my rhythm, but I got it. So I'm done with that last flat twist. So happy. Okay, I'm gonna let my hair dry overnight. It didn't take that long at all. It probably took a couple hours, and my hair was dry and plump and looking juicy and ready to be unraveled. To remove the bantu knots or the cocoon curls at the ends, all you have to do is just slide your hand, slide your finger down the section, and it will come right out. I love to separate, you guys know I love big hair, but with this style you really don't have to separate that much because it clumps and parts your hair into separate sections itself, so it will reduce the amount of frizz you get. Once the flat twists are out, you can see my hair has movement, it's bouncy, it's shiny, there's definition at the root to the ends, but also, you know, there's a tad bit of frizz. We need that for the volume. You're gonna see the height is about to come, but first we gotta get the pick out. Let's get the pick. We're gonna start fluffing, shaping, making my hair super full and voluminous for first day, okay? Now I'm fluffing the crown. I don't have to do that much fluffing in the crown because I applied those individual 2-strand twists in that area. That really does help at giving extra volume in that area so my hair is not laying so flat. Like I said, the bigger, the better. Big hair all day. And we're done. We are finished. The style is complete. Yes, you know how to do my signature side, my little side doo-wop thing. I don't know. I love parting my hair to the side, but you're going to see I'm going to switch it up on the end just to, you know, give y'all something different. But my hair feels amazing. It's uber soft and it's lightweight, it's fluffy, and this is going to last me about 3 to 4 days before I start getting a lot more frizz and fluffiness. And Trust me, I do not mind that. I really love a big fro. If you would like your hair to last longer than this, like the definition to last longer, I would definitely recommend to start on wet hair, because I started off on stretch dry hair. Hairstyles just don't last as long, but I'm okay with that because that was the look I was going for. And the shape, it is the shape that is giving me the shape. The shape looks so good. I love a good haircut. Here I am taking out these bobby pins, and I'm just going to, wear the curly fro bang look, which this is cute too. You can rock this, fluff it out, pick it out, get your volume, and the look is cute this way as well. I do want to thank Treluxe once again for sponsoring this video. Please check out their online sale to get 25% off. I will leave more details down below. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what else you want to see from me. Leave down below whatever you want to say. If you want to chat, let's chat it up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.